Hi, this is the Model TV. Welcome. So, have you seen this unconventional wire fascinator fan? Take a look at how unique and beautiful it is. So, yours truly is sharing how you can design this beautiful wire lip fascinator. Let's get started. Have you subscribed to this TV? If you haven't, hit the subscription button now and stay put. Let's see how you can get this done in this step-by-step tutorials. So this is how the wire looks like after twisting, wrapping and doing magic with the wire. Can you imagine which wire I'm using here? So let's see if you can guess it right. This is the wire. I'm using velvet strip. Yes, velvet strip is unique for this design, so I wouldn't want you to use bias or any other material. Use velvet to have exactly this outcome. So this is my velvet. I took my time to cut it into tiny strip. You can buy the ready to use. So I'll be trying out two designs with this wire lip, using the base and using Alice band. So this is my molded base. First of all, what you need to do is to wrap the wire using a little bit of gum at the beginning. Then you wrap it from this edge to this other edge. Remember, this design is so unconventional and very flexible. You can use it for your turban, you can use it for your fascinator, you can use it for headband. It all depends on you, what you want and how you want it. So this is all you need to do. Use your strip, that's your velvet strip. You take your time to cut it into tiny strip. Use it to wrap the wire, and remember, I have not mentioned which wire I am using, so you guys don't comment on my picture. Today I have decided to keep this till the end of the video, so stay put, watch this video to the end in order to know what wire I'm using, or you ask me in the comment section, then I will respond ASAP. Going forward, we are still wrapping, and to make this design outstanding, this is like a celebrity design. You can be loud. So to make it outstanding and loud, you have to use more wires. Like the length could be like maybe 1 yard of wire. Then you wrap it. By the time you twist it, it will be like what you use, depending on how you want the loops to be. If you want the loops to be tiny, you want the loops to be large, like I don't know how to explain it more, but when you look at the picture, you will see that the loops are big, but this one I'm doing, my loops are tiny. So the next step is to curve the wire. You can use a bigger stick, iron, or anything that you can lay your hands on in order to get big loops. But this is exactly what I want, a tiny loop. So I use this size of stick. The size of stick, material, iron, or whatsoever you use in wrapping this wire determines the size of the loop. I guess you understand that. So look at this. This is how the loops are. This wire is very flexible. You can adjust it. You can stretch it to make it longer. You can twist it in to make it shorter. So it all depends on what you want to do. This is a very beautiful mat for embellishment. You can use it to embellish your fascinator, your turban, your headband, exactly the way you want it. So if you have a celebrity client that needs something very loud and unique, think of this design and watch the video till the end to know the wire that I'm using for this design, or you ask in the comment section and I will share it with you ASAP. Also, if you have not subscribed to the Model TV, do well to hit the subscription button so that you turn on the notification button as well, so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Remember, I always upload interesting DIY videos, so don't miss out. Turn on all notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a video. So this is the main part of this design, the main work, where you have the work where the design lies. This is it. By the time you are done with this, you can play with this design. You can use it for whatsoever you want to use it for. All you need to know is what wire can I use, and how can I wrap it, what do I wrap it with, and how can I get this curve, these loops, and the rest of it. So by the time you get this done, then you can play with it. You can use it for anything that you want to use it for. Did you enjoy the video? Let me hear from you in the comment section. I love to hear from you. I would love to hear from you. So react to the video, like, share, and comment. Let me know how you feel about this particular idea. Okay, so let's continue the wrapping, the twisting, the curve. It's a fun DIY. I hope you are enjoying it the way I am, because it's come on, it's fun here. Can you see this one is very short? So this is it. I'm done twisting. So all you need to do is to use your thread to hold this together. Okay, let's try this for the first design that I had in mind, and I'll be doing it. I just want to share the two designs in this same video, so you choose the one that you prefer. So this is it. You just spread this on the molded base that I showed earlier on. So I'm just showing you how I'll arrange it on the molded base. This is how it will look like. You can use candle gum, lay a warden down, use a candle gum to place them. You can as well use your thread to tie them up together. Whichever one is more comfortable for you, you can use it. For me, I'm just showing you what I'll be doing behind the scene for the other design. The design I'm doing this video for is the headband, which you will see the outcome at the end of this video. So this is how I will spread it, like a satellite like a satellite dish. That is what the molded base will be, while you have wires all around it, connected all around it. So I love the design. I don't know about you. I would love you to try it. I would love to see how your own looks like. But you know, you can't do this with millinery wire. It will stress you. You won't have the flexibility. So get to know the wire that you can use in the comment section. Comment now, or you watch this video till the end. Okay, just comment and I will tell you the wire that I'm using for this design. We are almost done. Almost done. Now let's get to the headband. You can see how this one will look like. So let's get to the headband. So for the headband, I'll just put them together and use my thread and hold it firmly, tightly. I'm not using gum here, but I will use it at the end to ensure that the thread does not loosen. So this is it. Just put them together. You can make it in two steps. The first one longer, the next one shorter. Remember, I had said that this particular wire is very flexible. You can bend it, you can twist it anyhow you want it. It's up to you. You can make it fall on your face, you can make it fall to the back. it is very, very flexible. You can play with it. Yes, you can make a bow like the first picture when this video came up. That is a turban, and this wire is used as a bow. You can do something like that. All you need to do is to arrange them, use your thread, tie them up the way you want it, and then you put it the way you want it to be. I hope you are enjoying this video. Let me hear from you in the comment section. Like and share the video. You remember, feathers is very costly in Nigeria if you are in Nigeria, so you need to get to know other ways to embellish your hats, to embellish your fascinators. So this is one of the ways that you can do that. I'll be coming up with other unique embellishment ideas. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe now to stay up to date. Yes, stay up to date. You need to know how to manage and improvise. Let's go there. Just take a look at the headband, the outcome. In attaching this wire to the Alice band or any headband that you'll be using, you can as well use candle gum and thread at the same time to be on the safe side. You can use your candle gum neatly, but in this video I'm using only thread because I am sure that the thread can do the work, and I did it I tied it firmly. I doubled the thread like 5 or 6 strands, and I tied it up firmly, and I still use my gum B6000, and it's firmly tightened. So if you want to use candle gum, you can use it. It's up to you. If you want to use feathers or rose to do the finishing, you can use it, but I'll be using trimming. This is where you bring in your own ingenuity. You bring in what you know, you do it the way you love it. It's up to you. This is like you creating something from scratch. Use your own idea, you do it the way it pleases you, you play with it. My own was just to show you how to make this wire come out the way it is right now. So the rest is up to you. Let me hear from you in the comment section. Will you be trying out this style? Do you love the wire work? Let me hear from you. So this is it. I'll be using trimming to do the finishing. Very quick one. There's nothing hidden. I'm just wrapping the Alice band because I had some cut on it, so I'm just wrapping it. This one you can use bias. You can still use the velvet bias or the normal bias or tiny cords. I'm using tiny cords here. You can even use beads, stones to decorate it. It's up to you. You play with it. Me, I'm using trimming right now to do the finishing. Okay, so you can use anything. That is how it goes. This video is very short. I don't want to prolong it, so try out the design and enjoy yourself. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and turn on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, because I'll be uploading new videos. So this is the second design. Can you see? You just place it up there and play with it. See you in my next video. I'm gonna put it like this. Then, can you see? You can spread it anyhow you want it. You want it